It's now Friday. So I've been wearing these braids in my hair for 5 days. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I wanted to share with you a little bit today. But before that, I want to say thank you to my subscribers, the best subscribers in the world. Thank you for your support, for your comments, just for hanging in there with me. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, my question is, what are you waiting on? I have given an open invitation to everyone who wants to be a part of this channel 24/7. That is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I am on this channel. Just click on one of my videos and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Now, last night, I braided my hair. I did something a little bit different. I'm going to turn around so you can see what it looks like in the back in a little bit. But I decided to put these plaits in my hair. I did flat twists going across the top and just let it hang over. And this morning when I woke up, this one was out of place. And so I needed to do this end of it over because I wanted to hang in a certain way. That's what I'm doing today. After I do this, I have to do my nails because I don't get my nails done at the nail salon. I don't get a manicure. I only get a pedicure. Because every time I go get a manicure, for some reason, my nails get what I call ruined. I don't like it. I don't mind when my grandchildren do my nails, but at the nail salon, the only time I've ever had good results was when I was in Kentucky, and I cannot go there often just to get my nails done. So I'll be doing my nails, and I'll be running some other errands, and I may take you along with me just to see how my day goes, because Angie had said in one of her posts to me that maybe I should just share my day with you. So that might be what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to take you to the place where I'm going to be doing my nails. And y'all, that's going to be my dining room at my dining room table. And I will see you soon. I said I was going to be doing my nails next, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I will not keep you on camera as I do my nails, but I will share the results with you. And I will also share something. I don't know what all that I'm going to share with you today. It all depends on what comes to mind and what I'm doing during the day. But I will be putting this color on my nails today. And I don't have my glasses on, so let me see if I can see the color. Nope. And I'll put the color somewhere down here. And I'm going now to buff my nails. I'll be using my home nail flare at home nail kit today. I'll share the results with you in a little while. Good afternoon, good afternoon. At the beginning of the video, I talked about how I put the braids in my hair, and I started taking the braids out. I also realized that I forgot to take you along with me during the day. That was a Monday. It's now Friday. So I've been wearing these braids in my hair for 5 days. And I'm taking them out because I have somewhere to go and I don't want to wear these braids. It's taking longer than I thought to take these braids out. And as I was taking them out, I realized that, hey, that's the way I could end the video, by showing you what my hair looks like when I remove the braids. So my husband and I are going out to dinner tonight with some former co-workers. So I'm going to take these braids out. But one thing I'm going to tell you about it is that now that I'm taking them out, I'm coming closer. I tell you what, the waves really look good. But one thing I can say is that when I first started taking them out, my hair just looked so much frizzier after these braids. I don't know if what I'm saying is maybe I've had these braids in for too long. Maybe just too long. I don't dislike my hair right now, but I tell you what, this gray hair does not give me a break. And I don't want to do anything extra to it. So I'm just going to take these braids out and prepare to leave in an hour or so. But I wanted you to see the way it turned out. And I'm really excited to see how the top of my hair turns out, because it's in flat twist at the top. And usually I'll put a plait up there and just let it hang down. But I want you to know that it really feels better than having plaits, because there seems to be less tension in the top of my hair. This feels good though, it feels good. And remember that I also put in that Mofajang hair wax to tone down the gray. And I'll continue to do that. I certainly will. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. I'm going to speed this video up. That's just so you can see some of the frizz. But all in all, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God, because He's good to me. But I want you to know that I still need your prayers for me and my family. And I thank you for your support. Have a great day.